we picked up 2 packs of the most recent Pokemon card packs.
2パックの、一番最近のパックを、購入しました。
Stellar Miracle
ステラミラクル
and Paradise Dragona.
パラダイスダコーナ
Dragona.
楽園ダコーナ
Alright, so let's open those. Let's start with
ステラミラクル
Stellar Miracle. Okay, I was going to open Stellar Miracle. Okay, we have some kind of fruit. A Ladybug. A Clang. Cubone. And a Gulpin. Okay. Rough first pack.
Yes.
Stellar Miracle. Now I will try. We have a Tianchi, Yadon, Clammeow, Diplin, and oof, another bad pack. We've had really bad luck with this one recently. Okay, let's try Paradise Dragona. So there's a typhoon in Tokyo right now, which is why we're kind of damp today.
Yeah.
Japanese?
今台風が来ていて、ちょっと濡れてます。
Okay, we have a watch, a rufflet, I forgot his name, Execute, and what is this? Paku Kames. Alright. One more pack. Let's see if I can get anything good in our one more pack of Paradise Dragona. Hoping for some kind of art rare or something. So we have a Bell, a Citadel, cute, a Smoochum, I think. And okay, Persimmon, I think. Nagetsu Kesaru. Nothing special today.